माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table. Sri Rao Indrajit Singh.
Well, Chairman, sir, I rise to lay the papers listed against my name at serial number 1 in today's revised list of business.
Sri Kishan Pal.
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 2 पर मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Dr. Bhagavat Karad.
Sir, I rise to lay
sought my permission and he's not
against my colleague
That's why I
Pankaj
didn't call
Chaudhary
him.
in revised list of business.
Dr. Bharat Praveen Pawar. Bharti Praveen Pawar, sorry.
Respected sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name in today's revised list of business.
Not Speaker, Chairman, Chairperson. Okay. Sri V. Muralidharan.
Sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleague Sri Shantanu Thakurji, I rise to lay the papers listed against his name in today's revised list of business.
Message from Lok Sabha Secretary General.
I rise to report that the Lok Sabha, at its sitting held on 6th December 2021, passed the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Amendment Bill 2021. I lay a copy of the bill on the table.
Reports of the Department Head Parliament Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution. Dr. Fauzia Khan.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table a copy each of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution 2021-22, the 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th action taken reports on the 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th action taken reports.
Reports of the Department Head Parliament Standing Committee on Water Resources. Sri Arun Singh.
I rise to lay on the table the 13th, 14th report of the Standing Committee on Water Resources 2021-22 as listed against my name in the today's list of business.
Statement of the Committee on Empowerment of Women. Dr. Kanimozi N.V.N. Somu.
With the permission of the Honorable Chairperson, I rise to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the statement showing final action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in Chapter 1 and 5 of the second report, 17th Lok Sabha of the Committee on Empowerment of Women 2019-2020, on the action taken on the recommendations, observations contained in its 15th report, 16th Lok Sabha on the Committee 2018-2019 on working conditions of women teachers in school. Thank you.
Statements of the Department Head Parliament Standing Committee on Energy. Sri Mujibullah Khan.
I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and in Hindi of the following statement of Departmental Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy listed against my name in today's revised list of business.
Statements of the Department Head Parliament Standing Committee on Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. Sri Narayan Bhai Ratwa.
चेयरमैन सर, ग्रामीण विकास एवं पंचायती राज संबंधी स्थायी समिति 2021-22 के विवरण महोदय में आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सन्मुख यथासूचीबद्ध ग्रामीण विकास एवं पंचायती राज संबंधी स्थायी समिति के की गई कार्रवाई प्रतिवेदनों में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशों पर आगे की गई कार्रवाई को दर्शाने वाले की गई कार्यवाही विवरण हिंदी और अंग्रेजी संस्करण सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। थैंक यू सर।
Your notices under 267. I have gone through it. I have not permitted. It can be taken up. The House is adjourned to meet at 2 p.m.